This is Professor CC19 here with player CC21 at Knoebels Grove Amusement Park in Eilysburg, Pennsylvania. And today, not in Candy Crush, but we are on the Pioneer train, already in progress. And this is going to be a great ride for $1.75 in tickets. And anyway, here we go. Hi, player.
Hi.
All right, we're going back into the woods. It's going to be a great ride. Say hello to the other train. There we go. Right now we are on my favorite color train, the Creamsicle Express. We got orange and white to match the best ice cream, the best soda, the best everything. All right, so we're going to go through a tunnel, cross a bridge, go back into the woods. I'm going to mostly be quiet and let you enjoy the ride, okay? We also have some of the park going by, including the water park, which is quite simple here, but down home is pretty good. Crossing underneath the Twister roller coaster, everything in this park is really wonderful, don't you think?
Yeah, it is.
And here goes another train. We got the red train. We got red, green, and the Creamsicle Express, my favorite. Woo! And there goes the roller coaster. All right. Don't know if you saw that or not, but there it goes. I don't know if you like these amusement park videos, but if you do, comment below. I'll make some more. Knoebels Grove is an amazing place. And now we're going through the tunnel. So everybody's gonna scream.
Yep, ready?
We're gonna scream.
Woo! That was fun.
That was. All right. Now we're going back into the woods, so we're gonna be quieter. And campgrounds up here. Escape from the computer and the Candy Crush, go back into nature. And yeah, we'll just be quiet from here. It's a little bumpy, I see.
Bumpier.
Here we go, back through the woods. Got a nice, beautiful day, August 25th, 2018.
Nice and cool out.
We waded through a, I would say about a 20-minute line to get on here, but it is, no matter how long the line is, this is definitely worth the wait. It is fantastic. We should be able to see some animals coming up here, so we're gonna slow the train down and be quiet. Definitely a lot of water back here. Had a lot of rain. Yeah, from all the flooding in Pennsylvania this past summer. But this place recovered nicely. And it is beautiful today. All right, we're coming to the point where the train will begin to turn around. So we're gonna look for the wildlife.
We're gonna be slowing down.
Slowing down the engines.
See what we can see.
Yep.
I see some squirrels over there.
Stay focused on the left side. If you see those corn stalks, look for animals having their
You can see a squirrel there.
dinner time snack. Okay. Okay. You can see a squirrel eating some of the corn. And there's one right up close, if you can see that. Right there. There he goes, he's moving around. Some nice nature. And there he goes, there he goes. There's the squirrel on the tree now. Going all over the place. And now we are beginning to head back. Got some nice clearing back here, some logs. This is nice. And this is a pretty long ride, as you can tell based on this video, so you get your money's worth for just $1.75. See some of the houses, some of the cabins built back here. This is a stark contrast to Candy Crush, I know, but it's so nice I couldn't pass it up. This is only the third time I've been on this train, and I just keep wanting to go on it over and over again. Back on the other side, picking up speed again, almost coming back into humanity.
We're coming back to the tunnel.
Yeah, there'll be another tunnel as we go back. There's the other train going on its way. All right, we're coming back to the tunnel, the other tunnel. We're going to scream once again.
Last time.
All right, by the way, if you can't see the end of this video, it's because the recording has stopped. My recording is almost full for the camera, so if you don't see the end of this video, this is Professor CC19 and player CC21. Please subscribe and visit Knoebels Grove. Oh, that was nice. I'm guessing it's still recording. And, oh yeah, it is still recording. So, we're not gonna have to end the video early. We still got time. So, there's the Twister. There's the Twister. You also got the Phoenix at this park, one of the best wooden roller coasters in America. And, 7 minutes and 30 seconds here. We can look up through all the way to the sky. It was a long way up. All right, so we're getting to home. And passing back under the water park, the water slides. You can see up the mountain. This place is considerably remote for an amusement park, but all the better, I say, as you can get the best of both worlds. All right, we slow down once again, and woo! Everybody passing by. We're waving. We're waving. How are you enjoying this, player CC21?
Enjoying it very much.
Yeah, really. All right, so we're getting back to the end here. You can see some of the pavilions, some of the people, and we're about to end this video as we're about to pull back into port. So, like I said before, visit Knoebels Grove in Eilysburg, Pennsylvania. If you're nearby or in the tri-state area, I'm guessing whatever 3 states you can consider, come here. It is absolutely wonderful. This is player CC21, yeah, with Professor CC19. Please subscribe for this and for more videos with Candy Crush and Algadoo. Oh, we got a red light. Thanks for watching. Here we go. This is the end. We're pulling back into the station. And we're home. Here we are. The Creamsicle Express has pulled into the station. Thanks for watching.